So it's been a long time since I was in college, but I actually learned this in college. Tell me if it's true still today. There's three ways to authenticate somebody. They can have something they know, right? So there's your password. Something they are, which is like your fingerprint, your eye scan, biometrics, and then something you have. And so I have a passkey. So this is like the something you have style authentication. And as Adam pointed out, like nerds have kind of been doing this. Like I have an SSH private key and a public key for a long time. And it's better. Like if you sign into a machine without password, it's always been better. Of course, then there's like the managing of that thing over time and like key rotation and stuff. But we've been using something we have for a while. Why not? Like my guess is like the ubiquity of mobile devices. Like why is now the time that passkeys are suddenly something we can do and not have to do something,
Yeah, so it's been a long time coming, right? Passwords have, I think, been around since like the 60s. What other technology do you use that's actually from that time period? Like, probably not much, but it's taken a long time. Like there's been a lot of attempts to replace it, a lot of like proprietary biometrics, things along those lines that are more the who you are or something you have. But they always fail because you have to have special hardware, right? You have to like buy a thing and carry it with you. Even security keys, they're great in an enterprise environment, but kind of challenging in more of like a consumer, everyday user type of experience because people just don't want to have to buy and carry something else around with them all the time. And so about maybe 3 years ago, like 2019, 2020, Google, Microsoft, Apple all kind of came to this agreement that we're going to support these protocols and these APIs in our browsers and in our platforms. And we're going to give browsers and applications access to Face ID, Touch ID, other biometrics that are built into devices. And so that basically turned the thing everyone has in their pocket, a mobile device, into the equivalent of a security key and like made it possible to actually do this in a way that would scale and reasonably for consumer applications.